Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over why you need to get a thermal printer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you ship packages out or maybe you mail letters. Why should you get a thermal printer? So the first reason why is because thermal printers are going to save you a lot of time. Before, what I was doing is that I was handwriting my return address and my shipping address on an envelope, and that took a lot of time, especially if you make a mistake in pen, then you have to redo everything. If I wasn't doing that, then I was actually taping labels onto packages, and that also took a lot of time. So to kind of combat that, a thermal printer is going to save you time just because the thermal printer can print onto peelable 4x6 labels that you see right over here. And these 4x6 labels can be pasted onto regular envelopes, and they could also be pasted onto regular packages. So with the thermal printer, you also don't need to buy ink. So it uses a thermal printing process to actually print onto this 4x6 label that you see here. So once you print on the piece of paper, you simply just peel it off and paste it onto your envelope or package. So with the thermal printer, it's going to improve efficiency, it's going to save you time, and it's also going to save you money just because you don't need to buy ink anymore as well. But there you have it, guys, reasons why you need to get a thermal printer. I've had no problems with this whatsoever.